What's boppin' Jimbos? Welcome back to Chanel. We are here with a German girl. We've got the Golf here in a beautiful Nevada state. Not actually. So in the last Golf video we put the intake on, but now we got the Forge blow-off valve as we said we would get, and I got some red tubing to match everything. Right now it's only got the stock spring in it. Soon we're gonna be getting a new turbo, put a new spring in it, some other stuff. We got a new intercooler, the Forge Twintercooler on. The RC blows. Red piping on each side to match the intake. So I still have my stock intercooler. This is the Twintercooler. It mounts right up, and then it like hijacks the original place where the intercooler bolted in. So obviously we already installed these. Unfortunately the install clips, the audio did number 2, so we're just gonna show you the quick install right now. All right, now we're back. Let's see how she sounds. We got some buddies that joined us.
Yes.
We'll go take a look at them.
Some nice chap to join us for our evening photo shoot lesson.
About the blow-off valve is that it has like different levels. The faster or like the higher you go in RPMs, you can hear like more pressure is going through, so the louder it whistles. If you like barely let off, it just goes. You fly here in 2 seconds. All right, we're gonna hit the highway. See you Jimmy's in a bit.
drop top Merc.
And that trumpet in the back. What is this? Is this person a bike? They're in the bike lane.
It's a dwarf.
What the fuck? They're still in the bike lane. Look at them. Fucking, it's probably a cyclist. Fucking area. Let's go before these old folks have an aneurysm. And she's home. And we're done. Thanks for watching, Jim Bob Libbit. Make sure to keep watching. Don't stop watching. Keep driving fast and whooping ass. Peace out, brother.